TV Stick enables streaming access, transforming any TV into smart entertainment hub with apps, movies, live channels, and convenience anytime. My today's video is about top 5 best TV stick for streaming that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Roku Premier HDR Streaming Media Player. The Roku streaming device offers an all-in-one entertainment hub with free, live, and premium TV options for every type of viewer. It provides massive content variety including Roku originals and hundreds of free live TV channels, ensuring endless viewing choices across genres. With HD, 4K, and HDR support, it delivers sharp resolution and vivid colors optimized for any compatible television setup. Its compact performance handles popular apps like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and HBO Max smoothly for seamless streaming. Setup is simple with plug-and-play HDMI, an intuitive remote with shortcut buttons, and quick internet connection steps. Automatic updates, voice assistant support for Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, plus AirPlay sharing keep the experience modern and connected. Overall, it's a reliable, feature-rich streaming solution that transforms any TV into a smart entertainment center. Additionally, the Roku mobile app enhances control with voice search, private listening, and easy multi-device management for added convenience. It also supports easy sharing via Apple AirPlay for instant media casting from Apple devices. Now our second product is Glyout Universal TV Remote Roku Stick. This replacement remote control is a highly compatible and practical solution for a wide range of Roku devices and Roku TV brands. It works with many models including Roku Express, Premier, Ultra, Soundbar, and most built-in Roku TVs from popular brands like TCL, Hisense, LG, Sharp, Philips, and more, making it a versatile choice for households with different setups. One of its standout features is its plug-and-play convenience. No complex setup is needed for basic functions. However, to enable power and volume controls, a simple learning process is required using your original remote, which ensures full functionality once configured. Performance-wise, it offers a strong transmission range of over 25 feet with a fast 0.3-second response time, delivering smooth and reliable control. The buttons are durable, rated for 120,000 plus clicks, and include 4 shortcut keys for quick access to favorite streaming apps. Built from ABS plastic and silicone, it feels comfortable in hand and is designed for long-lasting everyday use. Our third product is Google TV Streamer Smart Home Control. The Google TV Streamer, 4K, delivers a fast, smooth, and highly personalized entertainment experience designed for modern streaming needs. Powered by Google, it brings all your favorite movies, TV shows, and live channels together on one easy-to-navigate home screen, making content discovery simple and efficient. With support for up to 4K HDR and Dolby Vision, the picture quality is sharp, vibrant, and highly detailed, while Dolby Atmos compatibility enhances the audio for a more immersive home theater experience. The device also offers access to over 800 free channels from services like Pluto TV and Tubi, giving users plenty of free entertainment options. Performance is noticeably improved thanks to a faster processor, doubled memory, and 32GB storage, allowing quick app switching and smoother navigation. The redesigned remote adds convenience with voice control, smart home integration, and a customizable shortcut button, plus a handy feature to locate a lost remote. Casting from Android or iOS devices is seamless, making it a versatile and powerful upgrade for any smart TV setup. Now number 4, Raxio TV 4K HDR TV Streaming. The MAG555 set-top box delivers a high-performance 4K viewing experience with efficient AV1 and HEVC codec support, ensuring smooth streaming even at lower bandwidths. Powered by the advanced Amlogic S905Y4B quad-core processor, it offers fast UI navigation and responsive playback for demanding content. Connectivity is flexible with both stable Ethernet and dual-band Wi-Fi, allowing reliable streaming speeds for different home setups. Dolby Digital Plus support enhances audio quality, creating a more immersive cinematic experience when paired with multi-speaker systems. As a Linux-based device, it is strictly hardware-only and does not support Android apps or built-in subscriptions, so users must rely on third-party service providers for content access. This makes it ideal for users who prefer customized IPTV or media solutions. The package includes the device, HDMI cable, remote, and power adapter, offering a complete ready-to-install setup. Overall, it's a solid choice for users seeking efficient 4K performance, strong connectivity, and professional-grade streaming control. And our last choice is Infomir's streaming media player Google TV. The MAG555 Streaming TV Box delivers a powerful 4K Ultra HD streaming experience, offering smooth playback for movies, shows, and live TV with immersive clarity. Powered by Google TV, it provides access to over 10,000 apps including Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and YouTube, with personalized recommendations. The built-in voice control via Google Assistant allows hands-free searching, smart home control, and quick settings adjustments. With multiple connectivity options including Wi-Fi, HDMI, USB, and Ethernet, it ensures stable streaming performance. Its compact and sleek design fits easily into any entertainment setup while upgrading any TV with smart features, casting, and screen mirroring support. Overall, the MAG555 is a reliable and user-friendly streaming device designed for modern home entertainment needs. It combines performance, convenience, and smart features, making it a strong choice for upgrading older televisions into 4K smart systems. It is ideal for users who want seamless access to endless content and simple control in a compact device. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.